is so beautiful today? Hmm? Who is so beautiful today? Naomishka. Preparing to catch some beautiful birds outside. Ready, steady, go! What are you watching? I can't see anything. No, Mishka. She don't care. Well, today the weather is a little colder, so we're wearing a coat. Yes. Naomi don't really like the coat, but it's warm, right? It's warm. Yes, Riska. Yes. What? What? Oh. Two best friends. Riska and Naomishka. This is so cute. So cute. Risa is always caring about Naomi. Да, Risa? Risa? Ah, Risa? Yes. Because she's a little bit older than Naomi. Just a little bit. They loving to sit and watch the birds. Yes, there is a bird flying away. Just give some attention to Naomi. Yeah, that's right. That's right thing you do. That's right thing you do, my kitty. My kitty. My kitty. My best girls in the world. Hey. Yes.